everyone, I am Saloni and today I have brought one girl as you can see here. She is quite determined towards learning English and we will know her experience about English and some other things also. So guys, I want you to please stay connected until the end of the video so that you can get the access of it and you can also apply in your learning field. So let's get started without getting further delay. So hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How about you, ma'am?
I have been so elated by the grace of Almighty. Thank you so much for asking. Could you please introduce yourself to my audience concisely so that they can know you better?
Good evening to all of you. It's me, Kavita, and I'm done my college, BA from Urdu College, AW College. I natively in Junior. So that's it.
Alright. So ma'am, could you please share your English journey, how it has started, what things that you have learned it and where you still think that you need to improve?
Okay. I started my journey in English. Most of the I enrollment the BA. I take the specialization subject in English. That time I started my journey in English, but that time not teach us to deeply in. They only teach us the books knowledge, only literature, poetry, and they're um, the novel story that's about. But our teacher is suggest me, yeah, you should enrollment the spoken English class, 6 month class. You took the course, and you if you took the course and then you will be great. You will speaking great in your life, and it should be good benefit in your life. So I then I this suggestion is good for me, and that's why I take the enrollment for the speaking class, and then I continuously continuously practicing, and then I join the here class.
Alright. That is really good. Means you took the specialization of the English in your college timing, and that time you did it, and you were not taught by your teachers how to speak in English, but you got the enrollment. It is literally amazing. So, ma'am, would you like to tell that what are the tips that you apply in improving your English?
I I read the vocabulary, and I practice in front of mirror. The and I record my voice and mobile. That's
Okay, so you told that you do the three activities. You read the books of the vocabulary that enhance your way of talking.
yes.
Second, you do the mirror technique that is also amazing. And you side by side you also record yourself. As you told the three tips,
Yes.
but which one is the more effective?
Most when we clip the video in ourselves in video clip, mirror a bit, not a mirror, but most of in front of camera. That time you have to more benefits. Your tone is the when we clip the video. That time we realize about the tone, our expression, body language, and where we stuck in speaking. That the more both are many points we realize uh, about the videos and ourselves.
Alright.
And it will when we listen to those video, that time we realize many things about our speaking. That time it helpful for us. So,
Okay.
yeah.
So before we wind up, I would like you to suggest something to my audience regarding English, means what they need to do it, and how they can improve their English also, and how they can talk so confidently like you.
Okay. First off, we should about the fear of English, but we don't fear about the English. Whenever we fear, that time we decrease our confidence. So uh, we should we should remove our fear, and we practice more, regularly practice, and practice to tongue twister, and when it, and not too fast speaking. Speak slowly, and use a simple language when people will listen. And people understanding language. You should use simple language, and then take a pauses, and you should practice regularly, and you have to practice more and more. Then it will be helpful for your speaking English, and you have to read the books, because of your pronunciation will be clear, and you most of watch the podcast, and you should watch the story of, uh, and you should watch the many of the story in YouTube. There also it also helpful for the speaking English.
All right. Thank you so much for your precise answers, and means your answer was literally incredible. Thank you so much for means being here. So guys, as you have seen that she answered all the questions confidently, means she was making the mistakes, but she is also a learner like all of you. So means when you try to talk in front of anybody, despite you can say having the phobias and all, you means do not try it. So what you have to do it, if you want to improve it, simply you have to open up your mouth. Let the mistakes to be made. Once you make the mistake, your mistake will be the sign that you are progressing in your life. Until you make mistakes, you are not going to learn it. So implement it. Just be like her, talk like her. She is also making mistake. If she can talk like this, then you can obviously talk. So this is the learning from this video that you can also apply in your life for learning the language. And I hope that it was literally informative video. So please like, share and subscribe to your friends, whoever would be also crazy about the English. And keep on watching, keep on practicing. Best of luck.